Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Excited to try out the new iOS 18 but can't find it on your iPhone? Don't worry, you are not alone. Lots of iPhone users have reported that iOS 18 update not showing up after attempting to install it. In this tutorial, I will show you some easy fixes to resolve this problem. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor software glitches that may be preventing the iOS 18 from appearing on your device. Press and hold the power button and either of the volume buttons until the slide to power off slider appear. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a minute, then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears to turn your iPhone back on. Solution 2. Check the compatibility. Ensure that your iPhone model is compatible with the iOS 18. Apple typically limits releases to newer devices. If you are wondering why can't I download iOS 18, check the compatibility of your device first. Solution 3. Check your network. A poor or unstable network connection can prevent the iOS 18 from appearing as an available update. Connect your iPhone to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Alternatively, you can toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. If you are using a cellular data connection, ensure that you have a better signal. Solution 4. Remove iOS 18 profile and reinstall. Go to Settings. Next, tap on General. Tap on VPN and Device Management. Locate and remove any existing iOS 18 profile. Download and install the latest iOS 18 profile from Apple's developer website. Solution 5. Download and install iOS 18 profile manually. Go to developer.apple.com on your iPhone's Safari and sign in with your Apple ID. Navigate to the download section in the left menu. Scroll down and tap Install Profile under iOS 18. Tap Allow to download the profile. Then tap Close. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap the Profile Downloaded option under your Apple ID banner. Tap Install in the top right corner. Enter your passcode if prompted and tap Install again to install the iOS 18 profile. Restart your iPhone when prompted to complete the installation of the iOS 18 profile. After your iPhone restarts, go to Settings. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. You should now see the iOS 18 available. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.